YouTube, what is going on? It's Skywise back on the video. I'm sitting here with my two Renegades. We got an 850 and a 1000.
And even if you have a 570, this will work as well. But if you just got the Renegade, whether it's used, new, I'm gonna give you a way for free that you can make your Renegade louder.
And there's no cutting involved. This will simply just make it louder. It'll make it sound throatier, but it won't be too loud. So anyways,
let's get to it. Let me show you how to do that.
If you guys are new to the channel, we post a bunch of power sports content, and we also post car content.
So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the video, because this is gonna be a big summer for us. So
all you'll need for this is a drill, so regular impact. Also, that's the XMR, this is XXC, so it doesn't matter what you got. If you got the 570, it'll work too. So let me show you. So all you're basically gonna be doing is taking the tip off. There's 3 bolts in there. It's really simple to do, and you're just taking out those 3 bolts of the drill, and it's just this little tip, and there's gonna be a metal mesh shield in there, and you're just taking that out.
This won't affect performance. Actually, I mean, it might make you might perform a little better because it can breathe a little bit better. That baffles out, and it doesn't have the tips. It's gonna shoot straight out the exhaust rather than curve. So, I mean, it sounds really good. I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like. All right.
This is essentially the bolt that you're gonna be taking out. Now you're not gonna use a socket for this. You're gonna use a bit. I'd love to show you guys a bit. For example, that looks like mine decides to go on the lunch. But it's gonna be basically one of these bits, just a little bit bigger. So a hex bit, not a star bit.
Now, if you're having a little bit of trouble, let me show you a way that you can, if it's too tight and the heat shield or your ECU or voltage, I think it's, what is it, a reciprocator? If that's in the way, let me show you a way you can get around that.
So you can get one of these little pieces right here, and it'll flex a little bit for you. And you can put it on your bit that already has an extension on it, and you can get in there with it, and it'll work perfect.
So when I did the XMR, it was easy, but the XXC, the one bit on the top right, I had to use this little piece to get around what I was trying to do. So just a heads up, they don't strip it. I mean, if you're using an impact, I definitely recommend using like a smaller one, like something like this. There's no need to pull out your M18 impact on mode 3 and strip the bolt. If you strip it, you're gonna have to cut the head off. It's gonna turn into a whole what would have been a 5-minute project is gonna turn into an hour long, and probably a few beers. But hell yeah, brother, let's see how she sounds.
All right, so we're gonna check the 850 out. See how she sounds. That's crazy.
And that's literally just from taking the tip off and the baffle that's attached to the tip.
And it sounds like a freaking tank now.
And there's no cutting involved. You can literally put it back on so you don't end up with any warranty issues or whatever. I mean, you can keep the tip, you can throw it away, but
for me, I mean, honestly,
I don't have $900 to fork out for a fucking exhaust. I'm just like, fuck it, I'll just take the tip off. It literally, it's like a massive difference, huge difference, and it's free. You can get home from the dealer and you can do that right when you get home.
So hell yeah, brother.
If you guys haven't already, like I said, check out the channel, check out our videos. I'm gonna be putting up a video pretty soon of 3 mods that you can do to your Renegade.
I'm also gonna be putting out some Razor content.
So check it out, hell yeah, brother, get her done.